Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. All right, guys, if you're doing a project like this, a kitchen remodel, any type of a home remodel, if you're working in an attic, you're working in a crawl space, there's one tool that is extremely important, probably the most important tool in your tool arsenal or tool belt, and that's going to be the common tape measure. Now this one I use quite a bit. It's just a basic tape measure. It does have a really good standout, so I can go a long way and it holds itself up. Very rugged, but it has limitations. I'll give you an example. If I'm going to go in the attic and I need to figure out how much insulation that I need for the attic, this is going to be very limited. I'm going to have a second person with me. I'm going to have to stretch it all the way to the end. They're going to probably have to try to hold it there. This one only goes up to 25 feet. I can get them in about 35 feet. But if my attic is 60 feet wide, 40 feet deep, I'm going to have to make a mark somewhere, have that helper come along, put it there, and continue that a couple of times to be able to get the overall measurement. I'm going to do that by length and width. Now, length and width is how I'm going to get the area to figure out that insulation. So the next thing I can do is I could put this back on my side, and I could go ahead and get what's called a laser measure, and I could stand in one spot in the middle and measure all the way from one side, turn around, measure the other, add those together. Now I have that measurement. I can do the same thing on the actual length, so width, length, and I'll get that measurement. Now I know. But I'm going to have two tools. I'm going to have my tape measure here, and I'm going to have the laser measure on the other side. But there is a solution. This company called Prexiso has got a tape measure that they've put out that does both. So it's a two-in-one. It has the regular tape, and it's a pretty nice tape with a really nice standout. We're at 5 foot, 6 foot, 7 foot. We're at 8 foot. About 8.5. It finally collapses. That's a pretty good standout. Easy to read. Has a nice hook to be able to hook on at the bottom. I even have a hook to be able to hook on from the top. So it's a very versatile tape measure. This is going to be a 16-foot tape measure, but what it has that this one doesn't have is it has a laser on this side. And my laser on this will go up to 135 feet. So pretty much any attic that I'm trying to measure, any crawl space, this is going to do it without me touching anything. So now it'll also work in metric and in imperial, which is great. So depending on where you're at in the globe, this is going to work for you regardless. And you simply are going to turn on the actual laser, and it's going to shoot a laser. Let me hold it down right there. It's going to shoot the laser out the opposite end. So tape on this end, laser on this end. You have a nice readout up here in the front. I can actually take that, push it again, and now on the readout, I don't know if you can actually see that, it gives me 7.89 feet. So I can take those measurements just like a regular laser measurement, and it'll keep a running total. Now this one also has functions on it and do things like area. So if I want to know my width and length of an area so I can order drywall, it'll do that for me, and you just work your way through it. It'll do triangles, so I can actually measure for roof things like shingles without having to climb up a ladder. Very good for that because it's on a slope. It also even does, I believe, volume on this one. It has quite a few functions. You're going to want to spend a little time learning all of those functions. It has obviously got a battery in it because of the display and the laser, but it is a rechargeable one. You're going to end up getting a USB-A to a USB-C charging cord. They're going to give you the manual, and they give you one other little tips card, which I thought was really interesting, telling you when you're retracting this and you lock it in, not to just let it slam real hard like that. It's not good for the unit. So to try to let it back gentle. The other tip they're giving you, it cannot work while it's charging. So in other words, if it runs down on you, don't sit there and have the charger on it trying to run it. It can damage the battery. So you're going to want to unplug it. Overall, guys, great little unit. And by the way, feels almost identical to these, to the DeWalt unit. Not only does it, the laser measure from here to this point, you push the button and it'll switch it to the back. So if I have a wall and I'm sticking it up to the wall, it'll take the measurement all the way to the wall to wherever you're measuring. A really cool little feature. So if you're looking for a really good tape measure that can also double as a laser measure, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this unit. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you on the next review.